Hadien baga Khubor shah Lute yap uwei ni ki arngut ki Nonghikai ka Rangsapara Secondary School ha ka janmiet khatwei tarik Nohprah ha ka thain Mynniar ha ki kti jong dusmon ka phriang stet ki Pulit ki Hiar leit kyrkieh ha ka khat ar tarik Nohprah shakani ka shnong ban pynlong ki jingtohkit bajanai babanya ban shem ki nong Lute ki bale ki ka pap ka sang bashirkhei kita ki nong Lute ki blasha Lute ki long Babu S Chetri sab khandai snam karta baru Babu T R Sangma sab pras nem karta ki bedang wana Nongstoin da ka thuk banit phai Rangsapara penban kilangat hakikti jeng ki nong Lute ki bahadu menta 4 tip ki de ki e Babu T R Sangma ulaklat no shen Hadien bulamen saujur lakit ikini ki Nonghikai Nongstoin Civil Hospital Babu S Chetri udang shah sumar Nongstoin Civil Hospital ki Pulit naga kinhon thwet dusmon crime branch West Khasi Hills kilara rengkat bagi tiar kitar ki bedai ban thwet ki din kti ki tiar bagi pendon kam hakani ka kam runar kabakongsan hakani ka jingleit thwet ki runar ki Pulit ki lailam dik so smadin ni ki runar ya kamet jong Babu T R Sangma la pendep ya postmortem bala IT no shik behingasem ban pendep ya kanyam kerukom ban penkhot ya kamet pedangsa
चलो चलो जल्दी करो ये और थोड़ा उधर भी
So, Rangsapara Secondary School and Sri T R Sangma has been my colleague for the past 10 years or so, and he has been a very nice person, adjustable, social, and it was only yesterday that we have received an information at around 5 that someone from my area has been brutally murdered on his way back home from Nongstoin, and on inquiring it was found that he was one of my colleagues, and then immediately we made necessary arrangements to come here with the relatives, with the family members and so on. And talking about Sri T R Sangma, he has been, as I have said, very social, understanding, and he comes from a very respectable background. And I don't think he has got any enmity that has forced him to fall into this kind of situation. That is all I can say about it.
Any suspect?
No, we don't have any suspicion also.